Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. So myself Tasim. It's my spoken English learning day 3. And today I am explain my how to my journey, how to I am admitted on our institute, and how to I am decide uh, trying to learning English, spoken English. So basically, uh, Buddhadev sir is my and brother. My father's have a friend and his son, my brother, and he told me that my one of my friend the Sarkar is learning to English, and then I'm telling his to give me the number. I will talk to him, and he gave me the number, and that now time I need English importance. English is importance for me. The reason of I am admitted on a college, so that's the it. I choose a profession. This profession need to compulsory of English. It's compulsory of English. That's why I am too much weak in English speaking and grammar. That's why I'm admitted on our institute, Buddha Sarkar Institute, the Spoken English Institute, the Smart Spoken English Institute. So now time as I'm not fully of prepared for prepared for English talking to and English grammar, but I'm improved. I'm improved many sides of English talking styles, and everyone like their choice some profession. That's why they are going to our institute for English. Someone is going to for the reason of jobs, and someone reason of interview. Someone is going to outside of India. Uh, that's why they're going to the institute and and try to learning English. And our teacher Buddha Shagar get our enough of time and get and there he try to best teaching us, and we are we are improved in last few days. Even it's my not for a long time AYM admission in institute. It's my newly admission. Even it's going to 2 or 3 months after, yes, 2 or 3 months. It's I'm improved, even I'm improved even 2 or 3 months. I improved, and it's my race. It's my topic of today, and it's I know that I made mistakes, many mistakes. If I know every words and some grammar mistakes, I had many types of mistakes. If I made many mistakes, then correct my mistakes and so comment me. Thank you.